my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. It's Juju, and we have our day number 26 translucent for our junk journal January. And for translucent, I did this. Now, you know, I've been doing my jelly rolling and mixed media and having a really good time with it. Well, I had a just a napkin that I had using as wipe up. And when I had my stencil cleaning, I would just lay my stencil down and just get the big block of, you know, paint off of the stencil. And when I got through, I had this napkin. It had all this nice little designs on it. So I thought, okay, I took it to the kitchen on my nice little mat that I had and put the Mod Podge down over top of it and let it dry and made the, you know, like this here, the fake rice paper. And it made it, you know, real translucent. So then I brought it back and put it down on my page. Behind the page, you know, I had some of the stenciling and stuff behind the page. And then I just put this over top of it so you could see the purple stenciling and stuff all behind it. And then on this side, I left the book page like it was and put it down so you could see the book writing and stuff behind it. And then on this side, I did the same thing with that there. And then for lyrics, for tomorrow, I just went and put one of this down and took the gold marker and outlined it there. But that is it. That is my day, and it was fun. I hope y'all having a good time. I'll see you. Bye.